Hello, and thank you for watching another episode of Break Free Kitchen. This is your guy, Chef Banksy, and tonight I have something special for you guys, okay? This is pink salmon, okay? Nice and clean, freshly cut, skin off, as I like it, and I have a bunch of herbs here as usual, and some spices already mixed, okay? So, we're gonna just go and jump right into this bad boy. Boom, let's do it.
Right here, I have some spices that I already put together. And like I say, you can always use your regular household spices, okay? Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. Alright, just put them all together and come up with a beautiful taste and a beautiful recipe, okay? So boom. Now that we got that mixed up, okay? Here we have a bunch of herbs, onions. I got a little bit of garlic. We got some scotch bonnet pepper there. Here I have some ginger and my scallion. And I can't forget my thyme, alright? So boom, that's our basic herbs and our basic spice. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and just rub this thing right on in. Okay? Gotta get the spices right down into the crivets of the salmon. Okay? For maximum flavor. Okay, make sure you go and rub that in. Wow, look at that. You can already see the salmon taking the form and the color of the seasoning. Amazing stuff, guys. Amazing. Alright?
Okay, now, the fun part. I like to put a little bit of touch on my seafood, especially when I'm putting it in the oven, okay? And my touch is jerk sauce. I love it. Alright, so I like to call it a shot of jerk sauce, but it's not a full shot. You know what I mean. Okay?
So let me go ahead and just tip that jerk sauce right into the valley here. That's where I really want it. Okay? Right in the valley. Okay? Boom. That looks to be enough there.
Let's go ahead and start adding our herbs. Okay.
A little bit of onion. Okay, just a little bit of onion there. Okay, boom. Alright. Go ahead and take our scotch bonnet pepper right up in the valley. Okay. Go ahead and line that. I can just smell the beautiful flavor kicking off this salmon already, guys. Okay? And that's our onion and our peppers. Just go ahead with just a little bit of garlic. You know, just for the aroma. Okay? If this guy sits in the oven, the aroma is going to be amazing, guys. Amazing. Okay, we get our garlic and just stuck all that stuff right down in the valley there.
Okay. Yes. And boom. There we have it. Seasoned up, and it's ready to be panned, and it's ready to go, guys. Okay? Okay, that seems to be right there. So now we're gonna go ahead and layer our pan with water crackers, okay? This is my technique, something different, something special, like I say, to keep your salmon from burning, sticking to the bottom of the pan. So here we go. And what this is going to do, this is going to be like a bottom layer for our salmon, so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Alright, so let's go ahead and scoop all of this goodness onto this water crackers, okay? As gently as you can. You want to keep everything together, okay? Boom. There we have it. Boom. Look how beautiful that salmon is. It's nice and seasoned. It's got all the herbs on top of it. I can't wait for the result of this beauty, okay? Island style. Okay, our salmon is now ready. Thank you for watching another episode of Break Free Kitchen. make sure you like and subscribe to the video. Press that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new amazing cooking video. Look at this. Okay, we got the water crackers down there. They're nice and baked. A little bit of crunch on them, you can tell. Okay, look at this beautiful salmon, guys. We'll go ahead and plate this thing. Okay, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Look at that. Everything just lifts right up off of that plate, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful salmon, guys. Not too burnt. It's just nice and juicy. I mean, full of flavors. The flavor that's kicking off this salmon is amazing, guys. Okay, just gonna go ahead and take our lemon and go ahead and sit right there. Okay, right on each side. Okay, guys. And there we have it, our pink salmon. Go ahead and get that lemon, guys. Totally amazing. Totally amazing. Try some of this crackers on the bottom. Amazing, guys. Thanks again. See you next time. I gotta go eat.